Hi friends, welcome to Tech with Sarvepalli Bros. This is Ashok. So today I'm going to talk about how do you save tokens with Claude Code, right? So everyone uses Claude Code for our personal project, like you say $20, it burns out quickly within 30 minutes. So how do you make sure you don't use your money and the tokens for unnecessary things and for only things that are really meaningful, right? So first thing, so whenever you start a new session, so let's say you're doing one task and you're jumping into another project, make sure you do a /clear as a Claude command. That makes the Claude to start with a new session unnecessary. The previous context doesn't goes to that. And maybe you would have seen this command like compact. The Claude would have already does a lot of compacting on the token limits, right? But you can do yourself when you want to summarize things, when you feel like you have done a subtask of it. A summary of it could be helpful for the next subsequent task. That is another thing, compact. Now coming to on an overall project structure, you start working with a particular project, make sure you create some project README.md files and CLAUDE.md files. Many people create a CLAUDE.md file, this also becomes very big. So Claude reads that file quite often, so you need to make sure very concise and precise of that file as well. So I think we already talked about in another video about the tokens, right? So in that video we mostly on other kind of techniques where you save. Here most on Claude commands itself, like compact, what you call clear, and then you could even have a set of playbook for previously occurred things and what Claude has done, like a skills, and make sure. And also you can try to use something called context. So that context will give you what is the current context the Claude is using. So these things will help you to save tokens. And another thing is, as we touched upon in the previous video as well, you could use some small local models for small tasks. Don't always use your Claude for all the very small tasks. Download based upon your mission capability, download some Qwen 32 billion parameter or 8 billion parameter for smaller tasks, like a mini small LLMs, right? So that will help not to use tokens always to the cloud. So what do you think? Please subscribe to Sarvepalli Bros.